Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, this is your presentation. This is your PowerPoint. Yes. Let me give you a little context. Okay, well, this is the context. Number one, Linda is Amy's aunt. This is Linda. Yeah, this is Linda. And Linda is Amy's aunt. This is Amy. And Linda is at Amy's home. Okay, Amy is annoyed because of too much questions. Yes, it's annoyed, very, very annoyed because of too much questions. You probably remember this. Now, Amy left the house. Yes, Amy left the house. This is left the house. This. Yeah, Amy left the house. And now she is having breakfast at the park. Yes, she is having breakfast at the park. All right. Then, now watch the video. Yes. Okay. Please watch this video. You can play here. You can click here in the video. Yes, and you are going to watch this video. Okay. Please stop this video and watch the video. Okay, when you finish, when you have watched this video, we are going to watch the video again, but this time we are going to look at these phrases. For example, you have this phrase, how are the things? Just in case you have this video of all the conversation in this part of your book in the page number 28. Yes, you have this conversation in here. So, as I said, you have this, how are things? Yes, Daisy. Okay, Daisy. Daisy and I are having a walk. How are things? Yes, asks Daisy. No, Daisy says, how are things? And Amy answered, to be honest, I'm not enjoying life at the moment. Yes, so continue the conversation, and she explained the problem, right? She explained that her aunt is making too much questions and blah 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 blah, and that's why she is having breakfast here at the park. Yes, well, she says this, oh, poor you. Okay, well, and continue the conversation, and she said that the other person, right, she said that she was taking lessons of dancing. Now, she said, it's cool, right? She said, cool, that's nice, cool. Well, and finally, at the end of the conversation, turns out that the teacher, the teacher of the other person is Linda. And Linda is her aunt. Yes, that's why she says, I don't believe it. All right? Well, these are the expressions and the conversation of this video. The explanation. In this conversation, we have to use expression to react on other person's news. What is this? News is, for example, when you make this question, for example, how is life? How are the things? How are you? So you answer with news. You answer with this news. For example, I am not enjoying life at the moment. Yes. Or you can answer this, of course, if you answer this question, I'm not enjoying life at this moment, probably you can say, why? What's happening? Poor you, right? Oh, what's happening? Poor you. Okay, well. Or you can answer this question again. How are you? How is life? Etc. etc. Right? So you can go like, I'm cool. I'm okay. Cool. How are you? How is life? Etc. etc. Right? So, I'm totally great. I won the lottery, for example. Oh no, I don't believe it, for example. Well, this is answer to news. Yes. Here you have given and respond to news. This is the page number 28, exercise number 2, as you can see here. It says giving news. And you have giving news, this example of giving news. I am learning how to, I am spending a lot of time, I am not enjoying, etc., etc. Okay, what is the meaning of these words? Okay, this is the vocabulary, and you have this. How is life? How are you? Okay, for example, how is life? How are you? I am learning how to play the piano, for example. How is life? Or how are you? I am spending a lot of time with my friends, or with my sister, with my brother. Or you can answer this question. How is life? How are you? You can answer this question. I am spending a lot of time in my video games, for example. Yes? Another way to say, to give news is this. How is life? How are you? This. I am enjoying my English lessons. Or, I am not enjoying life at the moment, for example. Yes? Now, this is giving news. Another example. How is life? How are you? I'm feeling excited, for example. Yes? Or, I am feeling worried about something. Yes? And finally, how is life? How are you? Giving news. For example, I am listening to Bruno Mars these days. Yes? That's it. And finally, to responding to news, you have this, another part. Again, it's in the page number 28 and exercise number 2. And you have this, responding to news. And you have these expressions, well done, good for you, that's terrible, what a pity, etc., etc. What this mean? What is the meaning? What is the signification of this? Here you go. It says, for example, you say, how is life? You have to respond the news. How is life? You say, I'm excited. Or, how is life? How are you? You say, I'm enjoying my English lessons. Or, you say something like this. How is life? How are you? I am listening to Bruno Mars. Okay, how do you respond to this news? How do you respond to this news? Like this. For example, you can answer like this. Awesome, perfect. For example, I am enjoying my English lessons. Oh, perfect, awesome. Or you say, I am listening to Bruno Mars these days. So you can say, good for you, right? Or, I am excited. Great, perfect. Yeah. So, or you can respond to news in this another way. How is life? I'm excited. Amazing. How are you? Amazing. No, I'm excited. And I'm enjoying my English lessons. And so you can respond to news like this. Amazing, for example. Yes. Or I am listening to Bruno Mars these days. Okay, how do you respond to this news? Like this, for example, wow, you are listening to Bruno Mars, perfect, very good, yes? Or, no way, perfect, great, awesome, awesome, great, amazing, etc., etc. These are responding to news, okay? Thank you. Now, in this page, you have on the exercise number 3, you have, this is the page number 28, exercise number 3, you have this. Choose the correct option. Listen and check. So, if you go here and click in here, you are going to listen.
My exams are going well.
To the conversation. Yes, this is the news, and this is the respond to a news. I repeat, this is the news. What are the news? How are you doing? What is your life? How is your life? The answer is this. My exams are going well. And the responding to news is this option. What a pity. That's terrible. Well done. What is the correct answer to responding to news? Listen and correct and answer the correct answer. Please answer in your book. Okay? Let's go. Now, you have to actually you are going to respond to news again to these 4 activities. For example, you say, I am writing a novel. Let's suppose that I am telling you this. I am writing a novel. You have to respond to this, for example, with the expressions we have learned. I am writing a novel. I am so worried about my dog. He's really ill. I am an uncle. Yes. My mom says I can go out this weekend. So you have to answer this question with the responding news. So, example, class cake. Let's go to class cake, and you are going to write your name as usual. Yes, you write your name. You write Javier, for example, and you go here, and you are going to answer the news like this. For example, I am writing a novel. So you have these options to answer. Awesome, good for you, great, no way. So I'm writing a novel, so perfect. I am going to use here the microphone, and I'm going to choose one of these answers. For example, for number 1, I am writing a novel. Okay, perfect. Oh, awesome, you're writing a novel, perfect. Right, stop, and you write, and you put this in here. Yes, and that's it. Thank you very much for your attention. That's right.